There are 145 students in a classroom. 75 pass in maths, 65 pass in English, and 50 pass in Sanskrit. Also, 45 pass in maths and English, 30 pass in English and Sanskrit, and 35 pass in maths and Sanskrit. Fine. Okay. Again, set of values. 145 students we have. Maths में 75 people are passing, English में 65 are passing, and Sanskrit में 50 are passing. Okay, 45 people pass in maths and English, right? तो 45 कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पे आएगा? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं आएगा. We have seen this, right? इसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? पहले तीनों में जो कॉमन है वो subtract करेंगे, right? So assume that exactly a number of people are passing in all the three. Now 45 people pass in maths and English. From that you subtract a. That gives you what? People are passing only in maths and English without ones passing in Sanskrit, right? Same way, 35 people pass in maths and Sanskrit. So 35 minus a people pass only in maths and Sanskrit, right? And same way, 30 people pass in English and Sanskrit. Okay, that means 30 minus a people pass only in English and Sanskrit, right? Okay. Now 75 people pass in mathematics. उसमें से हम क्या करेंगे? ये तीन वैल्यूज को क्या करेंगे? सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. We subtract these three values from here. That is 45 minus a and 35 minus a. Okay, when you subtract 75 में से ये तीन values, okay, 45 minus a plus 35 minus a, ये क्या हो जाएगा? सबको add करके this will now become 80 minus a. When you subtract, it becomes a minus 5. Okay, so exactly a minus 5 people, okay, prefer or pass only in mathematics. 75 में से हमने क्या किया? इन तीनों को subtract कर दिया, right? Same way, 45 minus a or 30 minus a, these people are passing in English as well as some of one other subject, right? At least one other subject, right? So when you add these, you get 45 a cancel, 45 minus 30, 75 minus a. So 65 minus क्या करेंगे? 75 minus a. When you subtract, you get a minus 10, right? Same way, people who pass only in Sanskrit is a minus 15, right? Okay, guys. So next step is to find out the number of people who are passing in at least one subject. उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Last question हम देख चुके हैं. This entire circle is 75. उसमें हम ये तीन values क्या कर देंगे? Add कर देंगे. So 75 plus a minus 10 plus 30 minus a plus a minus 15. तो आप पहले यहाँ से a cancel कर दो, right? 30 और ये हो जाएगा minus 10 minus 15 minus 25 plus 30 is 5. So 35 plus 5 is 80. So ये हो जाएगा 80 plus a. So people who are passing in at least one subject, the answer is 80 plus a. Now you want to find the people who are passing in none of them. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Total 145 में से हम at least one वाले subtract कर देंगे, right? So you will get 145 minus 80 plus a, or you get 65 minus a, right? Now we look at the questions. Maximum number of students who passed in all three subjects. Okay. Now guys, we want to maximize a. Okay. ऐसा question level 2 diagram में कर चुके हैं. A का हमें max value find करना है. Okay. Now, can we take the max value of a? Can we take the value of a from here? 65 minus a. अगर हम इसको 0 करें, okay, number of people as we said 0 हो सकता है. तो in that case, a will become 65. If a is 65, guys, ये सारे equation, ये तीनों equation क्या हो जाएंगे? ये तीनों value क्या हो जाएंगे? Negative हो जाएंगे, right? But number of people can't be negative, so that means a can't be 65, right? Guys, for the same reason a can't be 45 also, right? Because if you take a as 45, these two terms will become negative. Same way you can't take a as 35 also, because in that case 30 minus a will become negative. Okay, so at max you can take a as 30 only, right? जिससे कि ये वाला part तो 0 हो जाएगा, बाकी सारे part क्या रहेंगे? Positive रहेंगे, right? So the maximum number of students who pass in all three subjects, the answer is 30. Maximum number of students who passed in at least one subject. Okay, now guys, we know that 80 plus a number of students passed in at least one subject, right? हम थोड़ी पहले कैलकुलेट भी किया था. उसमें से maximum value निकालने के लिए 80 तो constant है, so maximum value of 80 plus a depends on the value of a itself, right? So 80 plus a का max value कैसे निकालेंगे? हम a को maximize करके, a को हम पिछले क्वेश्चन maximize कर ही चुके हैं, which is 30. So maximum students who passed in all three, okay, sorry, maximum number of students who passed in all three, that was 30. So number of students who passed in at least one subject, उसका max value कितना होगा? 80 plus 30, 110, right? Okay, let's go on to the next question, guys. Minimum number of students who passed in all three subjects. Okay, now you want to minimize the value of a here, right, guys? अब देखो a यहाँ से 5 हो सकता है. Yes, a can be 5, but if a is 5, ये वाला part negative हो जाएगा, 5 minus 10 minus 5 हो जाएगा, and ये minus 10 हो जाएगा. Not possible, right? Number of people can be 0 but not negative, right? Same way you can't take a equals to 10, because then ये वाला part negative हो जाएगा. So what you can do is you can at best take a equals to 15, right? जिससे कि सारे के सारे terms positive ही रहे, okay, and this term is simply 0, right? So the minimum value a has to take is 15, and minimum number of students who pass in at least one, 80 plus 15, 95, as simple as that. All right, guys, so let's go on to the next question of the lot. 110 tourists visited the Gir forest. Out of the 60 people taking a ride in the morning, and remaining people in the evening, 30 spotted a panther and 15 spotted a hyena. In all, 56 people spotted a panther and 25 people spotted a hyena, and 25 spotted both. Okay, deja vu exactly. तो ये सेम क्वेश्चन जो हम लास्ट क्लास में कर चुके हैं. इन द लास्ट क्लास वी टुक 2 level 2 Venn diagrams and solved them separately for morning and evening. यहाँ गाइस हम लोग एक ही level 3 Venn diagram ड्रॉ करेंगे और पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इससे. लेट्स सी हाउ. ओके, सो 110 people. ओके, उसमें से एग्जैक्टली there are some people who are spotting panthers and some people who are spotting hyenas. So 56 people spotting panthers and 25 people spotting hyenas. Okay, 25 people are spotting both, right? अब guys यहाँ पे ऐसा है कि this circle denotes the people who are basically spotting a panther. Okay, now where this circle intersects morning, okay, that is the third circle. Okay, this is where there are people who are spotting panthers in the morning. देखो ये वाला region हो गया, right? Similarly, there are certain people who are spotting hyenas in the morning. वो ये region हो जाएगा hyena और morning के बीच में, right? Now there are certain people who are spotting both in the morning. So the region which is common to panthers, hyenas, and mornings is going to be this region, right? As simple as that. Now people who are spotting panthers but in the evening, that means ये वाला region, right, which is not belonging to the third circle here. ये वाला region, right? Okay. Similarly, people are spotting hyenas but not in the morning. So this region here, this remaining wala region here, okay, that is the people who are spotting hyenas but not in the morning. Now people who are spotting both in the evening. So दोनों का intersection but not intersecting with the 3 wala common part, right? ये वाला हो जाएगा. People are spotting both in the evening. And last, people are spotting none of them in the evening. Okay, मतलब वो ना panther में belong कर रहे हैं, ना hyenas में, ना फिर morning में. This region, right, belonging to none of them. Okay, so this understanding will make things really very easy in the long run. आपको 2 diagram बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा हर बार. You can just solve the question with the level 3 Venn diagram many times. Okay, so let's solve this question now further. Now let us assume that there are exactly a number of people who are spotting both in the morning. Okay, now 30 people are spotting a panther इधर बोला है ना, in the morning. Okay, so in the morning, if 30 people are spotting a panther and 8 people are spotting both, that means 30 minus 8 people spot only panthers. Similarly, if 15 spotted a hyena and उसमें से 8 people spotted both, so how many spotted only hyena? 15 minus 8. And also it is given that 25 people spotted a hyena, 25 people spotted both, right? ये भी दिया हुआ है. उसमें से exactly 8 people are spotting in the morning. तो evening कितना होगा? 25 minus 8. Again, 56 people are spotting a panther in all. उसमें से I want to find out now people who are spotting only panthers. So 56 में से you subtract these 3 values, you will be getting a minus 1. Similarly, you want to find out people who are spotting only hyena in the evening. So 25 में से you subtract basically these 3 values, you'll get a minus 15. And similarly, now you want to find out the people who are going in the morning but not spotting any of them. So 60 में से आप लोग क्या करोगे? ये सब values subtract कर दोगे, these 3 values. Okay, when you do that, you'll get 15 plus a or a plus 15. And from at least one वाला जो region है, okay, the summation of 56 and these 3 values, okay, this will give you the people who are spotting at least one in the morning, right? ये होगा यहाँ पे. Okay, guys. So the last part is to find out the people who are riding in the evening but not spotting any of them. So basically this region, right? जो किसी में common नहीं है, right? So for that, what we do is we first find out the people, okay, which are lying in the circles here. Okay, so ये क्या है? 56. उसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? उसमें हम लोग ये 3 ऐड कर देंगे, right? When you add these 3 guys, देखो ये तो बहुत simple है. 15 minus 15, a minus a cancel हो जाएगा. So 56 में आपको सिर्फ a plus 15 जोड़ना है. As simple as that. You'll get 71 plus a, right? Okay, and from 110, when you subtract 71 plus a, you will simply end up with 39 minus a, right? Eighth value, right? And now you can solve all the questions which are there in the previous class as discussed. Okay,